Wait until you see these transformations. These 15 gorgeous short hairstyles completely change the look of these mature black women. From simple cuts to stunning makeovers, the results are absolutely beautiful. Just wait till the end and you'll be glad you did. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to BG Service TV, where we celebrate beauty, confidence, and stunning hair transformations. Today, we are looking at 15 gorgeous short hairstyles for mature black women, and transformations are absolutely beautiful. Short hairstyles are one of the best choice for mature women because they are stylish, elegant, and easy to maintain. But more importantly, the right short haircut can instantly refresh your entire look. As you watch these transformations, notice the difference between from the before to the after. A simple haircut can bring more shape, more volume, and a more youthful appearance. Some women start with longer, tired, or less defined hair, and after the transformation, the difference is amazing. You immediately see more shape, more style, and more confidence. That is the beauty of a good short hairstyle. It does not just change the hair, it changes the whole appearance. Some of these looks feature chic Pixie cuts, super short coils, soft coils, layered short hair, and natural cropped styles that beautifully frame the face and highlight natural beauty. What makes short hairstyles so special is how they leave the face, define the cheekbones, and create a clean, polished look that many mature women love. For many women, cutting their hair shorter is not just about style, it's about confidence, freedom, and embracing a fresh new look, a fresh new appearance. And as you can see in these transformations, the results are simply stunning. Which one of the short hairstyle is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy beautiful hair inspiration like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out next transformation. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist with magic fingers and great mind who puts all this together and avail us the opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching.